everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today, as agreed, I'm doing this tutorial for the rainbow shaker, and I'm also making a tutorial for this spider shaker because I got many requests on how to make the shaker cars. So I just picked these two because they have different ways, I think, to make it. So first is this one. So this is the rainbow back topper shaker die set, but I didn't use this part this time. I just want to make this shaker part. And if you want to make it into a back topper, just cut this one out, and then stick this shaker part you make on here. So this back topper is ready. So it's not hard to make the back topper. I just want to show you how to make this shaker part. And you also get a cloud here. So to make a shaker, you always need to have this backing piece, which if you cut this, you can make this back piece of the shaker, and also you can cut this acetate so you can cover the front of your shaker. So it's like this. And then you also need this part, so have a double cutting lines. With this you can make the shaker parts. So it's like this. So you will see the difference of this die and this die. That for this die, the shaker see here. Let me show you what I cut out so you can see it clearly. That the width between these shaker parts is wider than this one, right? This one is very thin. It's because of the design itself. Because if you want to make the spider into a shaker, then this center part has to be this small, so it will be more beautiful when making the design. So this shaker piece is a very thin part, and normally we will cut foam to make the shaker space, but with this thin design, then I suggest to cut like 5 to 6 pieces of cardstock, then stack them together to make the dimension. And I think this is more this is better. Yeah, just because the foam I use will stretched out a little bit when running through the cutting machine. So if your foam want to stretch out, then it's okay to use foam with any size of the of this shaker part. So that is just a tip. So back to this rainbow shaker. First you need to cut running through the cutting machine with these two parts together to make this piece as the front side of your shaker, and then make this shaker parts which is put in the middle of your card, and then take this part out, and this part is to make the backing piece of your shaker, and also make this acetate part for your shaker. So this is how to make the shaker cards, and this is for every shaker cards. Okay, let's start. So first you need to stick this part here. So this part is ready, and let's put I need to find the I need to find this action tape. Yeah, just can't find it. So hope you can see it clearly, just because it's sorry, it's transparent. Yeah, I can't see it if I put on the table. See, it's ready. And now I'm going to put the shaker base inside. And because this space is not very large, to put a sequence like this is not good to put inside. So I choose use this C base. Is that the name? But I choose to use this one. And 3 colors, so I want to use the I just put each color in the section. I think this tiny beads will fit perfectly in this for this rainbow. And you can choose any color you want to put inside. Okay, now just the shaker part is ready, and just put this one here, just glue it here, and your shaker card is ready. So this rainbow part is ready now, and I want to add 2 clouds here. So it's the same way, just to add this shaker parts here. Now I want to add some sequins inside. I love this clear glitter sequin, very beautiful. And then I'm thinking of adding these colorful dots inside. Since I'm making a rainbow, so I want to add this inside also. And then I want to add these tiny rain sequins inside. I'm in love with these rain sequins recently when I'm making shakers. Yeah, so you will see almost every shaker cards I made recently is using these rain sequins. Yeah, I just love it. Okay, let me see. Yeah. And I will finish the other one. So I have the 2 clouds ready now, and just stick them here. So this rainbow shaker is ready now. So you can make it into any color combinations, and this is the white. I just use this white cardstock, and you can also use any pattern paper to create your own rainbow So I think this is this is very fun, and I love it. So hope you like this. And then let's do the spider one. So for this one, I cut this piece out, and then I also cut this one. So this is as the background of the spider body. And I have cut, this time I think I cut 6 pieces. You know, you can make the mix of sequins just by yourself. You can do any sequin mix you want to match your project, and I think that's really fun when you are making the shaker cars. And I also have this eye. So this tiny piece is the eye of the spider. Okay, so it's finished now. So this is the spider with gray body. Yeah, I made a orange body previously, and now I'm making another new color. So I think yeah, I'm just waiting for what color you will make when you get your spider die set. So cute, right? I really love this spider. The size is perfect, and you can put this spider on any of your projects. So this is the tutorial for today. Hope you find them helpful. And if you have any questions, please just leave me a comment, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. And yeah, I will still be doing more tutorials later. And just let me know what kind of tutorial you want. Yeah, just leave me message. And so thank you for watching, and I will link everything I used in the description box below. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.